Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to renew Indian passport for minor through VFS Global. VFS Global is the new vendor from November 2020. Now we'll click on Apply for a Passport Start Now button. We have 6 steps to complete the process. Let's go through step-by-step process. The first step is identifying the passport service type. We have two types. First is reissuance of Indian passport. Second is new passport for newborn child in US. Today we will see about reissuance of Indian passport. Step 2. Begin your application. In this you have to fill the application form for passport. Click here to start the application form. When you click this, it will take you to the Government of India passport site. In this you have to select the country from which you are applying for your passport. Once you select the country, it will take you to the passport registration portal. If you already have an account, you can log in directly or use registration button and click to register. When you click registration button, it will ask you for the details for username and password. You have to give all your information and register if you are first time user. Now I have logged into my portal. We'll click on apply for ordinary passport link. So this will ask some details like applying for fresh or reissuance of passport. We'll go with reissue of passport. So reason of reissuance is validity expired within 3 years or change in existing particular, exhaustion of pages, damaged passport, lost or validity expired more than 3 years ago. Whichever is suitable to you, you can choose. If your passport is expired or due to expire, you can choose validity expired within 3 years or due to expire. If your passport is expired for more than 3 years, you have to choose this one, the last one, validity expired more than 3 years ago. So type of application, you can choose whether you have to apply through normal process or takkal process. I'll go with normal process and regular 36-page passport book. So next step is going to be applicant's detail. In this you have to fill your minor child's detail. And in educational qualification, you can select whichever is applicable. If your child is below 5 years, you can choose 7 pass or less. Then if your minor child has Aadhaar card, you can specify the Aadhaar card details, else you can skip this step. Next is family details. Since this application is for minor child, you have to specify both the parents' passport details. Next is going to be your address. This is the printable address that is going to be in your passport. Make sure you give right address. This can be your US address or Indian address, but you have to specify one US address and one Indian address. If this address is going to be different from your old passport or previous passport, make sure you give proper address proof for the new address you entered in the application form. Next, you have to specify emergency contact details. Next is previous passport details. In this, they haven't asked about previous passport number or anything, just they ask about diplomatic or official passport. Or if you have an identity certificate, you can specify that. Next is some general information. Next is preview of your passport with all your information. Make sure all your information is right. All the names, spellings and date of birth is right. After checking your passport preview, your application will pop up once again. Make sure all the details are entered below and press agree button. Specify the place and date. Once you specify the place and date, you can submit your application. Now your application is generated. Make sure you note the ARN number and press home button to print your application. This is the home page. You can see your application down. Select your application and print the application form. So once you print your application form, you have to affix your passport size photo in the specific area and sign below the photo. If your minor is above 5 years, he can write his name below the photo. If your minor is below 5 years, you can get the thumb impression of your minor. Same ways, you have to sign or get the thumb impression of your minor in the last place where it is specified for applicant signature. So once you get your minor's thumb impression or signature, both the parents has to sign below the applicant signature. Now we'll go to VFS site for step 3. Be mail-in application process and fees payment. So if you have an account in your VFS portal, you can just log in using click here. Otherwise, you have to click apply now button and create an account in VFS portal. Now I'm going to log in my VFS account. So now I have logged into my VFS account. Here we have to add our application by creating new application. Once you click on create new application, you have to select all the details. In the category, I will choose reissue of passport. And this is my minor's passport. So validity is 5 years. I will choose passport going to expire, validity 5 years. And you can choose the payment mode. I am choosing online payment mode. Next is customer list. You have to add the customer in this. When you click add customer, in this form you have to fill the ARN number which you got while you are filling your application in government portal, and all the regular details like your passport information, date of birth. Since this is minor's passport, you can only choose ordinary booklet and you have to specify the email ID and phone number. Make sure you specify the right email ID and mobile number. You are going to receive notification to this mail ID which you have mentioned. So you have added the application details in the customer list. You have to choose the courier details. I'll choose VFS offered courier details. Make sure you note the reference number mentioned in this. If you're using your own label, you can select that. After choosing VFS offered courier label, you will be redirected to the payment portal. Please check the amount specified here. This is the amount you have to pay. Now you have to click continue. This will take you to the address validation page. You have to enter the US address to which you are going to get your passport. So once you validate your address, this will take you to the payment portal. Accept and click confirm application. Make sure your mailing address is right. This is the mailing address. You will get your new passport. So once you are done with the payment, you will receive an email confirmation for the payment. Make sure you print that email confirmation and include with your application package and note the reference number mentioned in the email. Once you have received an email confirmation, click on download courier label. Provide the reference number you received in email and your passport number, email ID, and then you can generate your courier labels. Using these courier labels, you have to mail your physical document to the VFS. You should get 2 courier labels. One is to send your application and one is to receive your passport. Done with the VFS side, step 4 is going to be submit your physical application to VFS. In step 4, we have to collect all the documents, application and payment receipt and courier it to the VFS site using the courier label we have generated. Let's see the set of documents we are going to submit. This is the checklist of documents you have to send along with your application form. So first is the government application online form which you have generated in the government portal. For minor applicant, they have specified that if the minor is above 5 years, you have to write the name below the photograph, and if the minor is below 5 years, you have to get the thumb impression of the minor in the space provided in the last page, that is page 4th of the application. You have to get the minor signature or thumb impression, and then both the parents has to sign below the thumb impression or signature. Next is Annexure D. This is the sample form for Annexure D. Both the parents has to sign this Annexure D. You have to specify all the details of minor in this, and both the parents' passport number has to be specified in this annexure, and then you have to notarize this annexure below this. Next is Annexure E. This is Annexure E. This is the declaration of applicant on a plain paper. In case of minor, either of the parent can sign the application. Next is affidavit for change of appearance and signature. In affidavit for change of appearance and signature, you have to affix one passport size photo and get your minor's thumb impression or signature in the applicant signature part. And also you have to notarize this affidavit for change in appearance and signature. If you are a single parent or a guardian, you have to fill Annexure C. Next, you have to provide the birth certificate photocopy for minor. Next, you have to provide the valid visa status of the minor in US. This can be either valid visa pages or approved I-797 approval notice. Next is proof of address. This can be either parents' driving license or utility bill. Proof of address has to be notarized. Next is photo specification. You have to take 2 passport size photo. One you have to affix in the government application form, and one you have to affix in the change of appearance form. Next is Indian passport. You have to provide one photocopy of first 5 and last 2 pages of your Indian passport along with the original passport of the minor. You have to send your original passport also in the package. Next is payment. If you have done your payment in VFS portal, include the receipt you got in your email. Next is parent legal status. You have to provide both the parents' legal status and both the parents' passport copies. For legal status of parents, you can provide valid visa pages or valid I-797 approval notice, and also passport copies of both the parents. These should be self-attested, and one copy of this checklist. If you have mentioned new address in the government application form which is different from the current passport, then you have to provide the address proof for the new address you have mentioned in the application form. In total, you have to notarize 5 forms. The first one is Annexure D. Second one is affidavit for change of appearance and signature. Third is valid status of minor in US. Fourth is address proof. The last one is valid status of both the parents in US. So all these 5 documents has to be notarized with stamp and notary signature. So you are done with collecting all your documents and application form. You can mail your package to VFS using the mailing label generated from the VFS portal. Step 5. Step 5 is post receipt of application by post. So once VFS receives your application, they will check your application and send you an email confirmation to the email you have registered. You will receive the email notification with the tracking details. Next is step 6. Step 6 is to track your application. You will receive a application reference number in the email. Using that application reference number, you can track your application. So click on the track now button. So once you click track your application, it will take you to the tracking site. Here you can give the applicant reference number which you have received in the email and the date of birth, and then click submit to know the tracking information of your application. You can track your application in government passport portal also. For that you have to log into your government passport portal. In government passport portal you will have your application below. You can select your application and then click track application status. So this will also provide the tracking information of your application. You have to wait till VFS send your application to the embassy to track your application in the government portal. Till then you can track your application in the VFS portal. That's it for today's video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Thank you.